Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, my name is Esther Mofrey. So in today's video is very exciting video. Why? Because I want to show you how to start forex trading if you're in Kenya, and if you're not in Kenya, still this video is very helpful. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. When I was starting forex trading, I really looked for videos like these. I really wanted to know how to start forex trading, more so in Kenya, and I didn't find any video that was helpful. I didn't find any information here on YouTube, and I decided if I start forex trading, I understand I'll be helping people who want the same information that I could not get. That's the purpose of this video. That's why I'm doing this video, to help you if you're starting. Also, if you're in Africa, you're in Kenya, you don't know where to look, you don't know who to trust, you don't know what information is true. I'm here to help you to get you started. So I started forex trading about 5 months ago, and I wish somebody did like this video and told me step by step on how to get started. More so if you're in Africa, you're in Kenya. So guys, let's get started. Okay. So guys, the first thing to check when you want to start forex trading, you need to check your why. What compels you to do forex? Because forex is not it's not something that you can just get in and come out and think you make something out of it. You really need to know your why. You really need to know your why. I wish someone told me, why are you doing forex? Why are you doing this forex? Why have you decided to do forex? And then if someone told me, I would have really thought about it. And if my answers were not like supporting my why, I would not have started. But when I joined forex, when I started doing forex, I was so naive. Let me put it, I was so naive. I thought forex trading has a lot of money. I'll come in, make profits, and come out. My friend, you really need to know your why. Why do you want to do forex trading? Why do you want to come into this like space? Why? Just know your why. Then write down your why, because in forex trading there's so much. You will lose money, you will get discouraged, you will do all these things, but at the end of it, it is worth it. So if your why is not strong, if you're doing forex trading because of your friend, because of influence, because you're seeing people are making money online, that why is not, it has no strength. But if you're doing forex because maybe you want to try something else, maybe you want to challenge yourself, maybe you are tired of living your life, maybe you don't have money, maybe you don't have a job, you have this free time and you can do something, that why is strong. But if your why is because everyone is doing forex, check your why. Okay. So now you know your why. The next step to take is to find a broker. I remember when I was starting forex trading, I didn't know the purpose of a broker, and I really struggled to understand, why can't I go trade for myself? But yeah, if you're new to forex, you really need to find a good broker. You need to find a broker who is regulated, and you need to find a broker who, maybe, let's say you want to start forex trading, you want to start maybe with $100 or $10. There are brokers that their minimum amount is $100. So if you want to start with minimum amount like $10, the broker will determine, like, how can I put it? Like, the amount that you want to start with will affect the broker that you will pick. Some broker even accept from $1,000 and above. So first of all, the most important thing is to find a regulated broker, and then to find, if you want to start with a minimum amount, I can suggest a broker. Maybe you want to start with $10. Maybe you don't want to invest a lot of money. You can start with $10. So look for a broker who can accept $10 for like a deposit. Maybe you want to start with $100. You can look for a broker who is accepting $100 deposit. If you're in Kenya or if you're in Africa, kindly try to check a broker on the method of depositing, the payment method and the withdrawal method. If you're in Kenya, I will really suggest that your broker should have accepted, or should your broker has M-Pesa payment method. If you're in Kenya, you know M-Pesa payment method. So the broker I'm using right now has an M-Pesa. So I can just go to my phone. I can just like say I want to deposit 5,000, that's $50. And then when I trade, I get, maybe I double my account, I can still withdraw the money using M-Pesa. So the broker here, you really need to find a broker that first of all is regulated. We don't want to be scammed. You know, there are so many scams. You don't want to get scammed. And then the second thing, you want to find a broker who meets your minimum amount deposit. If you want $10 deposit, look for that broker. And then the last thing is the deposit. There are brokers, when I was starting, I didn't know this information. So the broker that I used to deposit using Bitcoin. So if you are in Kenya and you're using Kenya shillings, now to transfer Kenya shillings to Bitcoin, I used to spend a lot of money, then to Bitcoins, then I deposit, it comes to dollars. It was a lot of hassles. So guys, you can find a broker that just with M-Pesa, you can deposit your account and you can withdraw using M-Pesa. I hope that is clear. So you need a broker that meets those 3 criteria. Remember, to be regulated, the minimum amount can be even from $10, because remember, this is it's a new territory that you're trying to step in. So you don't need to spend a lot of money opening your account. And then the last one, deposit and withdraw should be something that is favorable, something that you'll not struggle. You'll not need to buy Bitcoins, deposit, all those stuff. Yeah, so you need a broker with all those 3 things. Okay. So the third thing, after now you have known your why, you have known your broker, is to know Forex terminology. Imagine you want to trade Forex and you don't know the terminologies of Forex trading. You will get stranded. You will find that there's so much to learn before even you decide to open a live account or go to start trading. Make sure you know Forex terminologies. Know what is a pair currency, know what is a pip, know what is a margin, know what is leverage. All these are Forex terminologies, and they will really help you when you start trading. You can even take 2 days to just learn Forex terminologies, get familiar with what is the most, which are the most traded pairs, and how are the pips calculated, what are the margin, what is lot size. These are the things that you should know even before you start trading. Kindly take it serious, guys. Take time and know Forex terminology. It's like when you go to hospital, there's the terminology where the doctors and the nurse uses, and maybe if you're a patient, you'll not even understand. And if you try to come and trade Forex trading without knowing the terminologies, it will really affect you, because even maybe you don't know how to place a trade, you don't know what is bid, you don't know what is ask, you don't know what is long. When we say bullish, you don't know, and then you want to trade. Kindly take like 2 days. Say, I want to take 2 days and know Forex terminology, so that this is where you start learning Forex. Don't go trying to learn so much things on YouTube. Just focus on one thing, Forex terminologies. There are like 50 of them, but 10 are the most important. Know what is a currency pair. Then after that, you can go to the next step. So guys, if you want to start Forex trading today, you can even start with Forex terminology. Be familiar with what is Forex and what are the terminologies when Forex is concerned. So guys, that's number 3 that you need to do. Now, when you know Forex terminologies, it's very easy now to get started understanding what is Forex. And I would suggest, guys, you take 2 weeks to really get into details about Forex trading. If you go direct about everything Forex has to offer, you will get confused, or you will feel like you don't want to learn anymore. So when you study Forex terminology, at least it enlightens you, and it is more fun to start training your brain to get this information. Remember, you are trying to fix your brain to understand this new information. And now take 2 weeks of learning. And it's very interesting because when you start learning Forex trading, you want to learn. Your mind wants to learn. Don't be like, because you have known Forex terminologies, now you want to open account, you start trading. No, take your time. Take your time, and I will guide you, because when I started learning Forex trading, I didn't have guidance. I would learn this, and I thought I was like doing from 10, then come to 1, then go to 5. It's like I was going from one place to another. I didn't have like a way of learning Forex trading, and I will give you 3 things that you should pay more attention. Okay, you should, the first thing that you need to learn about Forex trading in these 2 weeks, you should start learning about price action. Price action is how are the markets and how are the price reacting. And the price action is where we see everything about the market. What is the market structure? How is it forming? You will find out about support, resistance. You'll find out about how the candle patterns look like. You will understand if it's a bullish market, this is an uptrend. If it's a bearish market, this is a downtrend. You will be able to understand all these things. And then in those 2 weeks, make sure you learn all these things, and then try to even Google, try to look on YouTube on those people who are giving information, and don't try to trade. Just you're feeding your mind with new information every day. Feed your mind. Make sure like you take 2 hours of learning. Today you can say, let me just learn about support and resistance, and then tomorrow you can say, I want to understand what is trend line. Then the following day you can say, now I want to understand how do I read candlestick, what are the types of candlestick pattern. And then before the 2 weeks ends, you know so much. But don't like 1 hour you read everything, you will get confused. So guys, take time, take 2 weeks of learning. And don't, now 2 weeks are done, you have learned Forex trading, you have information. The next thing now is open a demo account. Remember, if you try to open demo account and you have not even learned Forex, you're going so fast, and Forex trading needs you to take time. So you can open a demo account. You have finished your 2 weeks. You studied terminologies. You have now studied in these 2 weeks. You know what is a trend. How does an uptrend look like? How does a downtrend look like? You have known how to place a trade. You have known all these things. Now open a demo account, and a demo account is very easy. I have a video, I'll just link somewhere here how to open a demo account. If now you have a demo account, whatever you have been learning, try to implement. You know, with a demo account, it's like you're being given a chance to exercise what you have learned. A demo account is not just you just do your things, then you think when you have a live account you'll do different. No, a demo account, you should really implement what you have learned, and you should be very serious with it. Remember, it's just virtual money, but everything else is real. So if you have opened your demo account and you are satisfied, I would suggest you use your demo account for like 1 week. Take profit, put stop loss, try to see if your trades are going well, try to see if they are hitting the take profit, try to see if you are losing on the trades, try to see how many trades am I doing a week, on 5 days, how many trades did I do, how many did I lose. All this, try to have like a data. Try to have a data. Then after now the 1 week is over, you can now open a live account. You can now open a live account, and opening a live account is very easy. You'll just, the same broker that you're using for demo account, you just upgrade to a live account. So you open a live account, and then you deposit your money and you start trading. So guys, that's how you start Forex trading. If you're in Africa, if you're in Kenya, if you're in anywhere in the world. So I just felt I want to share this information with you. So if you've been out there, you really wanted to know, how do I start? How how do I get started with forex trading and you didn't know where to start? Follow these 6 things and I'll guarantee you will start forex trading. I know this is a journey that has ups, it has down, but I think ups are the best, because if you master forex trading, it's very good and it's very nice, and it's a very valuable achievement in someone's life. I feel I have achieved a lot just because I'm now trading forex. So thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly consider subscribing. I have so many videos that I'll be sharing with you, so give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know if this video was helpful. Let me know if you have started trading. Let me know if you want to start trading. Let me just know, and if it has helped you, share it with your friends. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next